Haven't been to the garden in like a week and a half or so. But so much progress. Obey Foundation plays no games. Irrigation system going in. Love to see it. The corn stalks are so serious. I forgot the name of this plant, but it's actually an edible plant. The stem, the flowers that come up, I gotta get the name of that. Oh, they planted a lot of that right there. And when I tell y'all it's delicious, I even had some cooked up by one of the queens of the family, Iya Omitola. That's growing nicely. Ooh, the watermelons. Oh, wow. Wow, that's just like a week and a half. It used to be like just this part of the plant. And now it got a whole vine trying to come up. That's watermelon. That's watermelon. That's watermelon. That's watermelon. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the calabash. What? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I love it. This one must be new because it's kind of wilted leaves, but that's all right. Look at those vines going up the side of the trellis. Beautiful. Okay, I see some rose. What's this? Okay. Ugh. But it's part of the process. I see some rose about to come up and through. Still quite a few empress trees out here. My faves. They're so beautiful. So he put, when I say he, Kojo Bay is the executive director of Obey Foundation. And he was explaining that the deers had found the beans to be very tasty. And so he had found hoof prints there. So decided to put up some fencing around it, protective fencing, so that they can't nibble there. They have other things they can nibble on. These things, this area grows naturally. Look at this empress tree. Oh, this one had to get cut a little bit, I think. Yeah. She got cut on a little bit. But these things grow naturally. So if the deers like these, they can have at it. But this right here is for the people. So it's now deer proof. So on the right side is a certain kind of bean. I think that's string bean. And on the left side, it's the red beans. And they are growing very nicely. I love to see it. Now here are the blackberry bushes that were planted maybe about 3 weeks ago, maybe in a month, maybe even a month now. But what I've been taught is even if all of them are not like this one is doing pretty decently. Even if they are not all like this, some of them don't have any leaves left. It's all about the roots. So they may not come up this year, but as long as the roots are still growing underground, we may see lots and lots of blackberries next year. So now within, oh my God, such growth. It rained all week, so I knew it was gonna be this amazingness. Is this still a grow bag? So in this grow bag were like little red bean plants that I gotta go inside. I actually see some beans coming up on there. Oh, this is amazing. You got lemongrass growing in the grow bag. Okay. Oh, I missed the garden so much. I knew it was going to be some greatness up in here when I got back. So the herb, what's this gate? The herb table, always doing amazing. Always doing amazing. I don't know them off the bat yet, but let's check out these beans. Y'all see that? You see the little beans coming up and through? This grow bag right here was my first project here at the Old Bay Arts and Wellness Land. And this bag actually had some small plants in it that look like they might be dying, but they're clearly not dying. You see the flowers in there and the beans trying to come up and through? Gorgeous. So this one I know by sight is lemongrass. I think these are also red beans. Oh yeah, these are some more red beans too. Beautiful growth. Absolutely beautiful growth. Look at all this lemongrass, which is very delicious. Oh my gosh. All this goodness. Okay, so I found out what these are. Oh God, what kind of lizard is that? Sheesh, I thought it was a damn frog. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Big old self. One part of the organic gardening work that I find kind of challenging is dealing with the worms. But again, they are a great source of natural fertilizer. So what we have over here in this area is a bin. Now we've collected some manually, a little less than 100 or so, but these were purchased. And you see all the holes in the top so they can breathe. You're not going to be able to see. I don't have my gloves on, so I'm going to be digging in there. But I don't know if you can see them. They're real. Let me get a stick and turn them up a little bit so you can see. Can you guys see? See some? It's a lot of them though. It's about 1,000 of them in here, but they're way down in the dirt, in the soil. Not just dirt, but soil. And in this soil, if you notice the redness in the soil, that is coconut shell. I forgot the name of it now. And this right here, the green stuff, is their food. They eat like lettuce, any green leafy stuff. So I'm getting instructions on how to feed them once a week because the executive director is about to go to one of their other properties out of the country in Ghana, and he will be gone for a while at that property. Where are the worms? So I have to feed these thingies once a week. I don't know how long he's going to be gone, but I have to feed them once a week. So I'm learning how to... Where are they? When he was here, maybe because he dug his hand in there. I can dig my hand in there only when I have some gloves. Ugh. I'm not digging my bare hand in there. But yeah. So the goal with this worm farm, so to speak, is to capture the juices that they that will, once we feed them and they start getting fatter, they're going to give off the juices. They're going to procreate between each other and make worm babies. Gross. And so there'll be we're going to poke holes in the bottom of this and then capture the juice that comes out of it. And that's where worm casting tea will be used to fertilize the garden. And also, again, reproduce more worms so that there's no need to purchase anymore, because they're going to reproduce themselves. Much like everything else in nature, it reproduces itself when it's natural. I'm so impressed with this irrigation system that's going in. It's going all the way down. It's going to be an underground system, so I guess like a sprinkler maybe. It's all the way over here. Down to that spigot, and then they broke it off with like this T thing here to go through the garden down there. I love this work. And I found out the name of this plant, Nasturtium. Nasturtium. Completely edible. The stem, the root, and the flowers that grow. Nasturtium. So for today's assignment, I'm clearing out this area here, like all these leaves were there. In this area, I'm gonna clear out this space and make room for pollinating plants like dandelions and marigolds. And I gotta use a pitchfork to get this stuff up. I'm making way to plant flowers that will attract pollinators, ladybugs and bumblebees, stuff like that. It is hot out here today, and I love it all. So I gotta clear that up too. I gotta use a pitchfork to get this up, and I gotta go all the way around this. Oh, it was a lot of green. I gotta pitchfork up till I get to the other side. So as always, there's a lot of work to do, but it's for a good purpose, to grow organic fruits and veggies. Word. I caught 2 beetles getting it in. Well, actually, it's a family of beetles. Oh, it was a lot of them. But 2 of them was just on the other leaf humping. And now they out here chilling. And then there's where is he? It's a big old lizard. I don't know where he went. He was a big one though. See, if I was out here in just some regular old shoes or anything, I wouldn't be so calm. But I got on my garden boots, so I'm good. I ain't stepping on nothing, and nothing ain't stepping on me. Ooh, I love this stuff. As long as everybody keep their distance. Whenever you see a bunch of leaves on top of dirt, almost guaranteed, depending on how long they were there, the soil underneath is real rich. And real rich means black. That's good soil right there. See how black it is? That's that good soil. So, my face is literally raining out here in the garden. But I love it.